Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the lecture series of Material Studio, today we are going to discuss how we can enhance the property of the material. So we have different techniques by which we can change property of the materials. Like in this lecture we will discuss the doping strategy. Doping strategy is basically the process which involves inducing small amount of impurities into the material to alter its properties. This technique is basically used in material science and engineering to create material with specific characteristics. Like through doping we can enhance the optical, electrical and magnetic properties of the material. So by adding impurity in the materials we can get a material with a specific property for applications. Like we can when we add impurity in the material we can change its conductivity, modify optical property and enhance its performance. So that is why we can create impurity in the materials by adding atoms in a pure crystal. Like we have this silicon unit cells. If you want to create impurity in this crystal of silicon, first of all we want to create the supercell of this unit cell, because we want to get the average result. So we can create a supercell of the silicon. Now if you want to create impurity, like if you want to add phosphorus atom to the silicon material, so you can get a phosphorus atom in the silicon. By this, if you want to add more impurity in the silicon crystal, so you can get if you want to create the acceptor atom, you can add boron to create acceptor. So by this you can dope materials, you can dope atoms in the materials. After that you should optimize your structure. Then here in a task you should click on geometrical optimization. We have semiconductor, so we check out the metal and we are going to calculate with the medium quality with the function of GGAPBE and electronics. Okay, so we will apply 4 cores. Okay, so through this you can get the ample structure of the materials. You can add impurities through this way to enhance the property, to change the property of the material for specific applications.